Hello, you are most welcome to the Il Mondo with Shan. Just to tell a bit about of this channel, we mainly talk about basic fundamentals and steps how to learn an Italian faster and easier. Hope you will happy to join with us, let's grow together. Since you are here, please like and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to click the notification bell. You will receive notification as soon as we upload new videos. You also can share this channel with your friends. I am sure it will help each and everybody to learn this fantastic language. So let's begin. I'm sure that you will enjoy studying an Italian with me. Leave a comment if you have any questions about lesson or any suggestion. Your suggestion will help us to develop and grow this channel. Thank you in advance.